Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm doing another bloom pour and continuing to practice my bloom technique using all of this little piggy pigment powders. Now I'm not sure if I was feeling just patriotic when I painted this one or if I just wanted to see the different effects I could get with these color combinations, but as you can see right there, when those colors mixed and created those gradients, they were absolutely stunning. I love the way these came out. I mean, the red in this from this little piggy Grenache is such a stunning color. I mean, it's red and I love red, but the fact that it's a metallic and it's such a deep red really makes it pop. So I am using white Amsterdam cell activator. I don't think I'm going to get my Australian Floetrol. It got held up in customs, and from what I can tell, they returned it. They rejected the import of it. So if I really want to play with it, I guess I'm going to have to order from somewhere within the States, possibly. If any of you know where I could order it within the States, I would love to hear that in the comment section, because I'm really dying to get my hands on that stuff and play around with it. But as you can see, we're continuing to layer these colors. I'm kind of perplexed as to why the white Amsterdam cell activator started to blend a little bit with the red. I'm not sure if it's because it's a pigment powder and it kind of started to incorporate within the cell activator to change the color of it, but it did. So more testing will be required for me to figure stuff like that out. And I'm probably going to say, yeah, mostly it was the pigment, probably, because it's such a fine powder. But I hope everybody's doing wonderful today. I miss talking to you guys. As you can see here, this is all 4 of them together. And with that light top-down view, you can really see that Grenache. All that sparkle and shine within the tiles is fantastic to me.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.